find someone on Instagram by phone number. So if you want to find some of your friends on your Instagram by their phone number, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Instagram, from where you'll be able to explore the various feeds over here. As the first step, you need to tap over your profile at the right bottom corner, and here you will be able to see discover people option at the middle section. You just have to tap over the see all option, and right after that you will be able to see this interface. At the top there are two options: connect to Facebook and connect contacts. So if you want to follow your Facebook friends on Instagram, then you can connect to Facebook, and if you want to connect your contacts, or if you want to find the people on your contacts on your Instagram, then you can go for a connect over here on the second option. And after that you have to tap over allow access, and by doing that your contacts will be connected and all of the people on your contact will be listed over your Instagram, and you'll be able to add them or follow them. That's the thing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.